to my channel. This is the Math Tutor and today we are going to learn about unit of length. Now you must be wondering what a unit is. Unit is nothing but a system used to describe how big or small an object is. In other words, it is a description of any kind of measurement, okay? For example, I know some of you might have visited the hospital to measure your weight or to measure how tall you are, right? And I'm sure you might have heard the doctor tell you, Pema, you're 20 kgs or Tawang, you're 25 kgs. They just don't simply say, Pema, you're 20 or 25. They always associate a number with a unit. If it's weight that they're talking about, they might say 20 kgs here. Kgs is the unit of weight, indicating that you are 20 kgs when you measure your weight, right? Similarly, today we will be learning about unit of length. Now, do you know what length means? Length is nothing but the measure of how long or tall or short an object is. Okay? Now, some of the basic metric units of length are millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. But today we'll just be learning about millimeters and centimeters. Okay? Now, children, some of the objects used to measure length are a scale, a ruler, and a measuring tape. I'm sure some of you might already be using a scale or a ruler to draw cubes or objects for your classwork, right? Now, millimeters. Millimeters is the smallest unit of a length, okay? And 10 millimeters make 1 centimeter. To give you a visualization of this, let us take a scale for example. I'm sure you have seen a ruler or scale like this, right? So you see these small lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are millimeters. When your object is here, just this long, then it's 1 millimeters. This is 2 millimeters, 3 millimeters, 4 millimeters, 5 millimeters, 6 millimeters, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? And you can see that these 10 lines all together make 1 centimeter, right? These 10 lines all together make it 2 centimeters. So did you get the connection? The larger numbers here are denoted are in centimeters, and the smaller lines, you see these 4 lines and a fifth line, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, these all represent millimeters. Okay, now how to measure length of any object. I'm going to show you. For example, if somebody asks you, what is the length of this pencil? What you have to do is, firstly, you have to keep the end of the pencil, the tip of the pencil, at 0 centimeters. How do you know it's 0 centimeters? The starting point of scale where it's denoted as 0 is 0 centimeters. Exactly, okay, in a very straight line. And then you have to measure the tip of the pencil and see where does it lie. In this case, it lies at 5, right? That means it is 5 centimeters. And we know that 10 millimeters make 1 centimeter, right? So 5 centimeters means 5 into 10, 50 millimeters. If you don't understand how this 50 millimeters came into question, you can count the millimeters from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this makes 10 millimeters. This will make 20 millimeters, 30 millimeters, 40 millimeters, 50 millimeters. Right? I hope you understood this. Now I have a small activity for you. How long is the eraser that is shown in the figure? Can you guys tell me how long the eraser is in terms of millimeters and centimeters? Okay, this is it for today. Thank you. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and the subscribe button. See you guys in the next class.